Hat. When we talk about creative, stylish braid hairstyles, welcome back to Mimi Unique and Hairstyles. They are so unique, gorgeous, and can do anytime you want to try them with any of your casual outfits. Keep watching. You see that? So beautiful subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate your efforts watching to making your choice out all the time. I really appreciate that. You're wonderful. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking to watch and make your choice. Absolutely. Wow. You see that? Oh, I've forgotten. Today is a new month, right? Welcome to a new month of grace, prosperity. Those beautiful styles, of course, it will bring more open doors. Do you know why? After trying one of it, when you go for that interview or that occasion, can I see someone type in? Keep watching. So, sweetheart, you have seen it all. Making a choice is your priority. Or should I choose for you? I'm just joking. Thank you so much for watching this beautiful, trending, creative, stylish braid hairstyles with me. Meet you in my next upcoming video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's the only way you can get me anytime I post a new video. Thank you. Love you from Mimi. Bye.